Friends, this is Danish Raja Akhil Ahmed Ansari, working at Sarkhes Sarvajanik Kelawni Managed Primary School as in-school trainer with the Association of Sports Authority of Gujarat (SAG) and SV Edu Sports Village Edu Sports Bangalore. Friends, today we are going to learn the basic aspect and the basic approach towards volleyball game is a service. We will discuss about the basic services of volleyball, and in the definition of volleyball we can easily understand that the volleyball is a game that is divided between two court, and that will start with the ball by servicing, and the ball will pass through net from the above of the net. Okay friends, there are main three services that we can play in volleyball. The first service is simple service, second service is tennis service, and the third service based attacking service is jump and serve. Friends, today we will discuss two main basic service. The first service is simple service and the second one is tennis service. The both service we can understand easily in our basic course and basic approach that can easily start your volleyball game. Friends, first we will see the simple service. Let's discuss the different positions in simple service. First we will discuss the first step is what is the stance of simple service. Second point will be what will be the grip point of the simple service. Third point is what is the body position in simple service, and the last point is what is a follow through in simple service. We will discuss these four basic points in simple service. Friends, first we will discuss about the stance. How to open your leg as shoulder wise. The person who is riding with his right hand will put his left leg as a course of action leg, and we will open your leg as shoulder wise like this. Right leg will be open and get backside, and put your right leg like corner and down, go down to create a force of your leg, and this is a body position. Okay, make a point of toss something far, one hand far from your body. Okay, and the pull your right hand as you can pull it highest level. Then we will toss the ball and take our follow through to make a simple service. Let's see. The second service is tennis service, which is also an attacking service. We will discuss about it, its stance, its body position, toss and gripping point, and last is follow through. In tennis service, stance is same. Open your leg as shoulder wise, then body position is be straight, be comfortable, and after that put the ball to grip and toss one hand far from your body behind the end line. Let's see the gripping point. Gripping point is the most approaching and most hand can easily touch the ball at the maximum level. The ball should toss for that level. Means want to say that the ball should be tossed where your hand can easily grip it in the air. Means stance, body position, toss point, gripping point, and toss and hit and follow through. In follow through you can take your right leg ahead side after hitting. Okay, let's see the tennis service. Okay, yes, this is a tennis service. Okay friends, by servicing and the both discussing both simple and tennis service, I hope that this video can help you in your future to be a good volleyball player. Thank you. Be safe. Have safe.